Today, the greatest challenge in IT security is to prevent privileged users from doing harmful things in IT systems. The news is full of cyber attacks conducted by cyber criminals getting access to privileged accounts. In addition, there is increasing compliance pressure on IT managers. Monitoring users' resource access has become part of many industry standards such as the PCI DSS, SOX, or ISO 27000. If your company fails the audit, there can be serious consequences. Let's see a typical enterprise which manages tons of sensitive information in its data center. Customer or partner data, credit card data and other financial information, employee records or R&D. Privileged users can access and manipulate this information and can cause great damage to your business. A customer data leakage incident might result in revenue loss for your company. But who are these privileged users? Business users accessing sensitive data. For example, HR managers or salespeople. Internal super users accessing everything, for example, IT administrators or network operators. IT outsourcing partners, such as external developers or third-party engineers. Last but not least, unknown intruders. Privileged accounts are repeatedly the target of cyber attacks. However, controlling users' activity with logging or with company policies is almost impossible. The question of who did what is impossible to answer and often leads to time-consuming and costly investigations. But how can you control the activities of privileged users? The Balabit Shell Control Box solves exactly this problem. Shell Control Box is an activity monitoring appliance that controls privileged access to remote servers and networking devices and records the activities into movie-like audit trails. Shell Control Box perfectly isolates your sensitive systems from non-authorized access. Shell Control Box is a turnkey appliance which operates transparently in your network and extracts data from the communication of the user and the server. Shell Control Box is independent from clients and servers. You don't need to install agents on your systems. Your IT environment requires no change and your staff can do their daily jobs without changing their working habits. Shell Control Box offers fine-grained access control to your servers, prevents malicious actions by analyzing the user behavior in real time, records user actions as a security camera and replays the recorded sessions just like a movie, generates searchable audit trails, making it easy to find information in forensics, and generates automatic activity reports for compliance or decision support reasons. By implementing Shell Control Box, you'll have the following benefits: greater chance of passing supervisory audits, improved accountability of employees, reduced number of human errors in IT systems, lower troubleshooting and forensic costs, strong digital evidence in legal proceedings, enhanced data protection against cyber threats.